Okay, so the very first thing you see as you open the journal is the introduction. This is a place where I explain how to use the journal. I go into detail about every single question that goes into making the journal, and I explain what you should be thinking about when you answer those questions. Next, you see a short letter from me just wishing you good luck, and you flip into the first set of pages, which is Trading Month at a Glance pages. These pages are aimed at you raising your big picture goals for the month. And not only trading goals, but also life goals, and noting down everything that's happening within the month, any trading events, any major life events that you need to be aware of. Next is the daily pages. So this is the first set of the daily pages. Now there's 5 sets of these pages for a week. And these pages are split into 3 categories. So the first category is the pre-market routine, where you review the market before it opens, where you try to estimate what the market will be doing today and just prepare for everything before everything starts happening. Next is the My Trades section. This is a section where you follow your trades day to day. There's a pre-market and after-market review for any trades that carry overnight. And there's a nice little checklist of just things that are good to keep in mind before opening a trade. Next is the aftermarket routine. Now, the aftermarket routine is mainly focused on you evaluating yourself as a trader for that day and preparing for the following trading day, as well as reviewing any positions that you still have open, just to make sure that you don't have any news events that might surprise you overnight after market hours and things like that. Next is the trading week review and reflection pages. Now, these pages are mainly focused on you evaluating your trading week and assessing yourself as a trader. How well did you perform during that week? You try to evaluate your good trades, your bad trades, and try to learn from them. That's what's most important. Learn from your worst trades so you don't repeat the mistakes, and you try to learn from your best trades so that you can improve your future trades and just bring what was good in those trades into your future trades. On the right, you have a trading week assessment page. This is a page that has 5 sections in it: performance, trading plan, risk management, discipline, and analysis, and 5 questions inside each of those sections, where you try to evaluate yourself how well you did in every single areas of your trading for that week. And this is a nice page to kind of follow your performance and your improvement as you go day to day, week to week using this journal. And that's where you flip into the second set of daily pages and the second set of weekly pages. And this whole process repeats for 5 weeks. So you have a journal that's good for 1 whole month. Next, you have a few notes pages that you can use to note down any ideas that come to you during your trading. Now, after that, you have some extra trade following tabs. So this is just in case you're a heavy trader and those trade following tabs that you have in the daily pages just aren't enough for you. So you can use these at the back here. And that's pretty much it. That's the whole journal. These are the questions that make up the journal. This is what you can expect. So that's it. That's the Ultimate Trading Journal. I hope this video answers any questions you may have had about what's inside the journal, what questions go into making the journal. Now, the only thing left to do is for you to get yours. And when you're ordering your first journal, make sure to use the discount code JOURNALVIRGIN to get 15% off of your first purchase.